Hello you guys! So I decided to do a crazy makeup for my 30th birthday. If you want to see how to do this makeup, please carry on watching this video. Hello you guys. Yes, so I wanted to apply my makeup with either the sponge that I've bought in Super Farm. You can see it in my shopping in Poland video, or when we're actually testing out e.l.f. products, maybe the swell brush. Okay, so this is exactly, this have a swell in there. No, that's it. Oh, the brush, it's number 106. So this is a specific information on this brush. All right. So it's really nice and soft. So I was thinking about using this, or I'll use this, and if it doesn't work, I'll use the sponge. We're gonna apply my ultimate party mix, which is Huda Beauty and Iconic mixed together. It's Iconic illuminator drops and foundation from and foundation from Huda Beauty in the color Vanilla 120B. And I'm just gonna use my hand to do the mix. Lovely, and you can see how I brushed it off. Like, this spatula is amazing because you can just do this. Ooh. And it's clearing. So I'm just gonna apply it on my face. So for those of you who don't know why I'm mixing the illuminator, is because Huda is a little bit, like, I love the consistency of Huda Beauty product, and I love the way it looks on my skin. Like, I love the way that it's so, like, it stays so long on my skin. Like, it's really amazing when you go on a party, but the problem is it's really matte. Actually, I need to, and those Iconic illuminator drops are a bit darker, so I can just darken the foundation using them. So the foundation settles down, and it normally would settle down really bright, really pale, but like really matte. But because I've added those eye drops, it's not as matte, you know? It's actually just like a normal foundation. I love this palette. So this was one of my birthday gifts that I made for myself. So it's Morphe and Avani Gregg collaboration. So these are the, you've got two foil eyeshadows, this one and this one. That one is a bit more strong and that one is a bit less. Let me just swatch it. Whoa! Whoa! Let me apply it on my hand. Whoa! This is so good. I'm already in love with this palette. As a base eyeshadows, we're probably gonna use Moonchild from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And let me just check what they look like. I'm probably gonna use Pink Heart. I think so. I think Pink Heart is gonna complement what I wanna do in here. So to do that, I'm going to use blending brush. Gorgeous. I already know this eyeshadow very well, used it many times, so it's all okay. You see, it doesn't look as there we go. We're gonna move on to the very scared part of my life, which is using this palette. I like to do the green eyeliner on my eyelid. Okay, maybe I'm picking on it, but I thought it was going to be more of an opaque effect. Okay, I thought it was gonna be a bit more opaque, but maybe it's just the color of the eyeliner, or maybe it's just me, or maybe it's the powder product underneath it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna use the pink eyeshadow to sort of kind of do some, I don't know, maybe a little bit of eyeshadow effect. Oh, do you see what I'm talking about? Let's use a white eyeshadow eyeliner and see what happens. Okay, let's try to add the same amount of water in the green one, because you can hardly see any green on my eyes. I don't see any. I don't know what about you, but I don't see anything. And I'd like to have something green. Oh yeah, that's more like it. Yeah, bitch, that's what I'm talking about. It's the shit though. Yeah, but you see, it's a bit messy. It's a bit messy. Is there any how I could clean it, maybe? And then under the eye, I'm gonna use this one. And then I'm going to use maybe white eyeshadow underneath. This is what it looks like. Whew, okay then. I would add some color inside my so maybe to add some more something more, I will add maybe eyeshadow in an inner corner, but I need very good brush for this, because otherwise it will really look shit. I do the same thing with the other eye. Alright then. I was thinking maybe I shall apply one more eyeshadow. So I've used that eyeshadow in my inner corner, a white eyeshadow, and this eyeliner. You can see that's been used, and then I added some things to it. Maybe I will add this this lilac. Yeah. I'll add this lilac a little bit inside my but not to kind of go outside my outside the green light, like it's supposed to be inside the green light. That's much better, I feel like, because otherwise it's just that one Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow and there's not a lot going on. Now it is. Oh, and to do so I'm using the blending eye, which is not really a blending brush in my opinion, but okay. So now I think I'm going just to apply some gems. So the gems that I have are these ones. Yeah, actually I love it. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna use it. Should I put it a little bit further down? Should I just, no. Yeah. I'm gonna apply it in here. Fuck's sake, hell yeah. Yes, queen, yes. So let's apply in that case, let's apply this eyeliner. I have lost it now. Oh, no, it's here. Let's apply it. I always wipe the brush on the... It's better to have less product than too much. Eyelashes line. Yeah, these ones are better. Oh my fun! I've got so much glue on my eyelashes. I can just put them straight away. So the eyelashes that I have finally chose is my ultimate favorite exaggerated lashes from Primark. Wait, let's see, because it's not enough for me. Let's see if I shall apply it in here. Oh my god, there's everything on my eyes. Yeah, fuck it. Why not? I need to now settle my face, and to do so we are going to use either this brush, or this brush. Oh, that looks interesting. I think we're gonna use this one, and that one is Total Face. So I guess that's what it is, Total Face. So to do so, another new thing that I've bought recently is Laura Mercier, because I've run out of all my powders. So today we're also gonna test Laura Mercier powder. So it came like this. Oh, this is the powder. The first time I'm opening it. Oh, there's even a sticker. I'm gonna have to take it off. Oh. Alright then, so this is me settling down makeup. I will use a bronzer, and I have to say I'm really happy about the Laura Mercier powder. It does do the job, and it doesn't look cakey. It doesn't like do weird things with my face. So now I'm gonna use a bronzer. So we're going to use this white bronzing brush. Perfect. I've picked the right one. Got a good eye. Just a little bit. Okay guys, so this is what my makeup looks like. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to see future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!